Hello and welcome to tonight's weather forecast. During the past 24 hours, we had rains over more places in the country, from the coastal to the northern portions of the country. The intensity was higher over the middle parts of the country, and Akemoda recorded 82.4 millimeters. 21.5 was recorded over Ho. Kumasi had 11.3, 10.3 over Tamale, and less than 10 millimeters for the rest of the country. Today has been a cloudy day for the middle and the coastal parts of the country. We saw some slight rain or drizzle for areas in the middle and the coastal parts of the country this afternoon. And this evening, we're expecting rains over places in the eastern parts of the northern sector and the middle parts of the country, around the Yendi, Tamale, Ketekrachi, Dambai, and stretching to the Volta and the eastern regions. These conditions will move and affect areas in the western side later. Kumasi, areas in the western north and the western regions will also have this cloudiness and occasional slight rains or drizzle tonight. Temperatures will drop to around 21 to 22 degrees Celsius over the middle parts of the country, around 24 degrees Celsius in the upper parts of the country, and about 23 degrees Celsius for the northern and the savannah regions. Along the coast, we're expecting slightly warmer conditions, about 23 to 24 degrees Celsius as the minimum temperature for the night. As we move into the morning, we're expecting the conditions over the east to move and affect areas in the western side, so Bolewa and its environs are likely to see some thunderstorms and rainfall conditions in the morning. Kentampo Sunyani will also see cloudiness and occasional slight rains. Misty conditions will be seen in the early hours over the forest and high ground areas of the middle sector, as well as along the coast. Occasional drizzle or slight rains will be observed over places in the coastal and the middle portions of the country. The conditions will clear as we move into the afternoon. Partly cloudy conditions, temperatures rising to around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius for the coastal parts, around 30 degrees Celsius to 31 for the middle portion, and around 30 to 32 degrees Celsius over the northern sector of the country. Around the western region, Takwa, Pristia, and its environs, we are expecting some rains in the afternoon tomorrow, and these conditions are expected to spread across more areas in the middle parts of the country. So Ho, Koforidua, Kumasi, and areas closer are likely to get some rain showers tomorrow afternoon. But areas closer to the ocean are expected to be left out of this rainfall conditions in the afternoon. Partly cloudy conditions will dominate most parts of the afternoon for areas in the northern parts of the country. That'll be all for the forecast for the next 24 hours.